Hi volunteers, and welcome to the Exploration Center. During the summer, this is probably one of our most popular areas due to the fact that it is air conditioned. In this area over here, we have computers that allow the children to solve crimes, and so it's our investigative area. Over in this area, we have our lab, and it is recommended for children that are 7 years old and older. Every month they have a different lab, and the children can come, first serve, and one of our facilitators handles that at 11, 1, and 3. The other area that we have in here is called the Omniglobe, and it is one of 5 Omniglobes in the state of Texas, and we're fortunate enough to have one within the Arboretum. If you'd like to learn more about the Omniglobe, it does require additional training. We have other areas over here that have, for instance, different frogs and fish. And then on both sides, we have an area where we have different bugs that kind of break down the logs as it would if they were in the forest. Also over here we have a bog, and on the top of the bog we have carnivorous plants like the Venus flytrap, the sundew, and pitcher plants. So let's talk a little bit about safety. One thing that you'll see in the Arboretum is we have a revolving door, and so we want to make sure that our guests do not get their fingers pinched in the door, so we discourage them from playing with it and going around at high rates of speed. One of the other areas that we have in this area behind the double doors there are restrooms, and we also have water fountains inside. Right outside the Exploration Center, we have additional restrooms and water for them. We do not encourage the children to run through here. We don't want them to slip and fall. One of the areas that we do have is we have a first aid kit that if someone has a cut or they get stung, within the first aid kit, we have different items that can assist them. We do not administer any first aid for the students or for the children. We give it to the parents and let them administer it. As in any other area within the Children's Garden, we encourage you to interface with our guests. If there's no one here, you feel free to sit behind the desk and greet our guests as they come in. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact your volunteer coordinator. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you in the Exploration Center.